Hello friends. India is on a continuous stage of alteration and rejuvenation of its infrastructural developments. Sagarmala program is an initiative of the Government of India to enhance the performance of waterways logistics sector in India. Port development in the country through using India's 7,500 kilometer long coastline, 14,500 kilometer of potentially navigable waterways on key international trade routes. Modernizing port infrastructure, development of transport infrastructure for connecting the coast to the borderland is underway. This is expected to make trade and commerce affordable. Scheme entails 8.5 trillion rupee investments for setting up of new mega ports and modernization of India's existing ports. The program foresees unlocking the potential of waterways and coastline to meet these targets. Under the program, a phase-wise implementation is planned over the period 2015 to 2035. The project is likely to see a total investment of Rs 70,000 crore in the coming years. Major part of the investment will be made by the government, while some projects will be under PPP mode or public-private partnership mode. To plan, initiate, supervise and monitor the Sagarmala project, a Sagarmala Coordination and Steering Committee will be constituted from the Ministry of Shipping. The SSC will coordinate with the Special Purpose Vehicle for speedy implementation of individual projects. So why is the project so important? Sagarmala is a crucial infrastructure initiative whose development has the potential to boost India's GDP by almost 2%. India is bound by sea on all three sides and has a 7,516 kilometer coastline, making it the seventh largest in the world. Therefore, it is expected that Indian ports should handle 90% of the export-import trade volume of India. The railways contribute nearly 2.9% to the GDP. The road sector contributes almost 3.14%, while the port share of GDP is only 1%. This data reflects the vast potential for development of coastal cities and ports. India has nearly 14,500 kilometers of navigable waterways, which includes about 5,200 kilometers of rivers and 4,000 kilometers of canals. But their utilization have been very low. The logistic cost in India are around 18%, much higher than that of other countries like China and UK. A study by SOCHM had stated that India can save $50 billion if logistic cost reduces from 14% to 9% of GDP. Reduced logistic cost would bring down the prices of products and boost the economy in multiple ways. The proposed plan is to develop 111 waterways covering 24 states and around 15 rivers and canals across India. According to the World Bank estimates, India's freight movement through waterways has an insignificant share of 0.5% till date compared to 65% by road and 27% by rail.